What is up, everybody? Happy Tuesday. Today we are at our showing at 16 Finesse Court in Richmond Hill, listed at just under $5 million. Look at this beautiful bungalow. So I'm going to take you guys on a tour. Stay tuned to the end. All right, so right when you walk in, you got a nice foyer that's all closed in. You got double closets on both sides. And as soon as you enter, boom, massive 2-story high foyer. Because it's a bungalow, you can have that kind of high ceilings. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. And then you go right into the family room here. Check that out. Beautiful high ceilings. Look at that. You got chandeliers everywhere. This is kind of my favorite spot. Boom. And you got large appliances here in this beautiful open concept kitchen. Huge. Whew. I can imagine entertaining here. That is so nice. Hopefully you guys love this too. I'm gonna try to make this one shot. So let's see, you guys wanna see what's in here? What is this? It's like a spice kitchen. Let's check it out together. What? Butler's pantry with a secondary stairway down to the basement. And now we're back here. Look at that. Let's go check out the primary bedroom, shall we? The best part about it being a bungalow is that your rooms are all on the same level. So this is one bedroom. This is not the primary bedroom. Boom. This is another bedroom. Also not the primary bedroom. You got laundry right here. So total, you got 5 bedrooms in this home. Let's see the magic. Now this is the primary bedroom. Got a nice vanity here with nice, beautiful, wow. That's a closet. Sorry, I lost my words there because I was amazed. This is the primary bedroom. Let's go check out the primary ensuite. Okay, I think this is where a king would take a bath. Look at those gold details. Or a queen. All right. All right, so you have seen the main level, but now let's go check out what's downstairs. Like that's where you're gonna be entertaining your visitors and guests. So let's get there. Okay. To start off, you got an indoor pool there. You got a bar there. You got a nice lounge set up here. Well, we can check out the gym that's over there. Let's walk there, take a little peek of the indoor pool that you can use all year round. And then we walk into the beautiful gym. All right, what else we got in this basement? Looks like we got bedrooms there. We got a nice empty space. Maybe we can put a theater in there. This is the games room, which actually connects to that other empty room that I was just by. It's beautiful. Very nice large layout, great for big families. Check out this bedroom too now. You got a full apartment actually. It's not a bedroom. You got a full 2-bedroom apartment. Oh, that's nice, with its own entrance too. Perfect for multi-generational family. Nice. Is it time for you to purchase this house?